the Indian Air Force gets ready to bid adieu to the legendary MiG-21s. The Soviet-era MiG-21, the backbone of India's air power for over 6 decades, is all set to be given a hero send-off at the Chandigarh Air Force Station on Friday.
India Today is getting you this exclusive ground report from Chandigarh, where the MiG-21s are bidding goodbye to the nation after a long service of 6 decades. Inducted in 1963, MiG-21s have been a part of glorious operational journey and various operations.
From 1963 to 2025, the MiG-21 has ruled the air. In 1965, striking deep into enemy positions. In 1971, bombing the Dhaka Governor House and turning the tide of war. And in 2019, downing a Pakistan F-16 after the Balakot strikes.
It's not only a personal emotional moment, but also for all the pilots who've flown. The ceremony is the tribute to this aircraft which has served for 62 years. In this ceremony, there will be a MiG-21 flypast. Rather, there will be 2 flypasts. Aircraft will be flying in VIC formation. The call sign will be Badal.
The jet that gave India air dominance is finally hanging up its boots.
These are the last few sorties and the last few landings of the MiG-21s, the workhorses that have remained in action for the longest period of time. And in Chandigarh, we are witnessing this historical moment where Indian Air Force is turning a page of history and now bidding goodbye to MiG-21s after uncountable operations in 60 years.
Ahead of the formal ceremony, in the dress rehearsal on Wednesday, Chandigarh skies thundered with Badal and Panther formations. A dogfight between Jaguars and MiG, reminding all of Abhinandan Varthaman's 2019 heroics.
Combat in the air, and this is the dogfight in which MiG-21 and Jaguars are in the air, and this is the aerial combat which has been very important because, in 2019, Group Captain Abhinandan Vardhaman, he had hit one of the Pakistani fighters in a similar dogfight using the MiG-21, though he lost his own craft and he ejected safely and in Pakistan, and he returned as a hero.
And then a majestic water cannon salute, honoring the warrior that never backed down.
This is the majestic water cannon salute to the MiG-21s for their services. And this has been the tradition of the Indian Air Force, not only on the induction of a new aircraft, but when an aircraft retires, this is how the Indian Air Force bids them goodbye.
The ceremony will be as grand as the MiG's legacy. Veterans, families and 6 former air chiefs as well as Air Chief Marshal AP Singh will gather to bid farewell. The handing over of the Form 700, the jet's logbook, to Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will mark the final curtain call.
In many ways, the MiG-21 is what has defined the Indian Air Force for a very large period of time. Having a service span of 60 years is more than 60 years is no mean feat. So there's an entire generation, in fact generations of fighter pilots who become fighter pilots because of this particular aircraft. So in a lot of ways, you can say that the Indian Air Force, has been defined by the MiG-21 for a very long period of time.
For 62 years, the MiG-21 was more than a jet. It was India's sword in the sky. With Shivani Sharma in Chandigarh, Bureau Report, India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.